Hey guys, so today's our amazing blasting recipe is wood apple chutney. Let's start. Hey my beautiful super foodies out there, this is Manisha and you are watching Simplify Your Cooking. Today's our amazing recipe is, let's start. Winters are at the corner and here we have an amazing beautiful fruit which is called wood apple. The fruit is having sharp savory taste and you know we Indians can make chutney out of anything. So let's start. First you have to check the quality of the wood apple. A fruit is covered with a hard shell and you will get an amazing pulp out of it, and first you have to check it by scratching it, and if you get green then you have to wait for more some time, and if you get no any color or any brownish color, you can use this fruit immediately. So first we have to break the shell and look at the beauty of Mother Nature. If the wood apple is raw, you will get the tight and rough texture, and if it is properly ripened, you will get smooth and darker in color. Along with it, you will get perfect smelly texture. So these are some basic differences. Let's start making chutney now, and you have to scoop out all the pulp out of it with the help of a spoon. So here we are using 2 wood apples, as this chutney can be preserved for at least 10 to 20 days. Of course in refrigerator, by the way. So our first ingredient is 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Add some green chilies. If you want it a bit spicy, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. Rock salt, I am adding it as per taste. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add salt also to taste and a small amount of coriander. If you add a large amount of coriander, it will suppress the flavor of wood apple, so I am adding it here in a small amount. To balance the savory taste, you have to add around half a cup of jaggery and a bit, almost a tablespoon of water. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds for amazing flavor, and just churn it very well. You will get an amazing balance of taste and amazing mouth-watering and blasting taste of this chutney. Do try this chutney and let me know how the results are. You can use this as a chutney, as a jam of wood apple, and the best combination is with garma garam paratha, which is hot Indian bread. If we talk about the availability of this fruit, in India you can buy it at any street side vendor, and if you are not in India, you have to visit Indian store. Make it, have it and enjoy it. Here we have our comment box below and you can write anything about this recipe, and please do let me know what this fruit is called in your state. I will wait for your beautiful comments. Till then, take care of your beautiful selves. Bye bye.